Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Aquarius, your monthly and your money reads have already been posted. In case you've missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius. Don't make each reading fit to your life, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So Aquarius, before we begin your love read, let's take one oracle card from Lord Ganesha to bless your love life. And we'll take one from the angels as well. So Lord Ganesha, what do you have for Aquarius? Okay. And my angels. One card for Aquarius, please. So this one here and this one here. Thank you. So Aquarius, the card I have from Lord Ganesha to you is empowerment. Okay. And the second one is triumphant. I mean, these are two beautiful cards, I mean, to have for a love read. So you're feeling pretty solid in your love life, it seems, or at least you want to be, and also victorious. What is going on, Aquarius? Now we have to spy on you and see what's happening here. Let's take this. So are you feeling empowered and triumphant, Aquarius, or do you want to be? We'll find out in a minute. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and your care and your support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends as well now. So we'd be happy to have you. Do subscribe to the channel. Sorry, I'm sounding a bit slow and a bit tired today. I'm fasting actually. So not feeling that strong, I guess. Oh, Five of Pentacles in the bottom of my deck. Have you been left out in the cold by somebody, Aquarius, feeling rejected, and you want to now be triumphant with this person? I think we're guessing too much. I think let's just get straight into the reading and see what's happening. And of course, Aquarius, if you need a private reading, you can reach me at my email. It's in the description box below. Knight of Cups, the Moon, the Lovers, the Emperor, Judgment, and the Nine of Pentacles. Let's see the other person. So newbies, for the duration of this reading, I have two sets of cards, person A and person B. Right? I will be calling this side person A and this side person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. Okay, it's your story. You know who you are in this dynamic here. So we have the Six of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Eight of Wands, Six of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Trying to wrap my head around. It's quite a nice reading actually. I mean, I don't see any bad cards here. So let's start clarifying person A to see what they're going through, and then we go to person B. So here I have the Knight of Cups. I think somebody wants to come towards person A with a love offer, a romantic gesture, a love offer. But right now I think they're feeling very overwhelmed. They don't know how to. They're feeling very emotional. They know they have to make this choice and take control of the situation. But right now I think this person is on crossroads. They don't know, they're still planning, they're still going, go left, go right, how do I do this? I'm feeling rather overwhelmed. I don't know how to go and feeling stressed out basically. Not stressed out, but feeling a bit emotional at this point. They know a choice has to be made. Yeah, they want a rebirth of this connection. Maybe you guys are broken up and person A is now knowing that they have to come towards person B with a love offer or an apology or something to request for a reconnection or a rebirth after some maybe hearts have been broken here. right? Something happened which, let me put this down a little bit. See the cards more. Yeah. So yeah, so some hearts have been broken here, but person A is now planning on how to bring this apology or how to come forward to their loved one, and is trying to make a choice because they know that they love person B a lot and they find them to be their Ten of Cups, right? But something has happened here which maybe had broken hearts. Somebody wants to take charge. Somebody wants to take charge of the situation now and kind of bring things back into order and yes, try and have a re-beginning or a restart in this situation. They don't like being single, I think. They don't like the fact that there are any delays now in their love life and they don't like being single. They're looking forward to, feeling that security, that love, that compassion, that what a partner can bring to their life. Yeah, they want to put an end to everything that happened before and bring a transformation, right? Person A wants to bring this transformation and the judgment card again, which means they want to start again, start something which had ended. They want to bring it back to life. They again have the nine of Pentacles and the sorry. So, Spirit, what's this Nine of Pentacles? I think this person A has been keeping a watch on person B. They don't like the fact that they're single or they're working or checking to see if they're working with anyone else now. And they want to definitely have some kind of communication about whatever has happened between the two of you and start something anew with their partner. Let's see what person B is thinking right now. What are they going through? Person B has good memories. They love person A a lot. They think person A is their soulmate. You guys have probably been together for a very long time, and there are some sweet memories here. The person B is missing person A, wants them to return or wants to return back to them. They don't want to shut this chapter either, right? They don't want this chapter to end either, and they don't want to fight either, right? They would also prefer if you guys could work together, maybe come back together. There is a bit of stress on this person's end though. Three of Pentacles, Philip? Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they've gone in, they've listening to their intuition. They know that they want to work together now again with person A. They want to have some clear-cut communication with person A. But right now, I see them feeling a bit stressed out, right? And same way like this person is feeling overwhelmed here, person B is feeling overwhelmed there. You both are kind of in your heads right now, wondering what to do. This person B is also looking for some communication or is planning to send some. We'll check. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Why is this person feeling? Yeah, because of this fight. Did you guys have a fight, Aquarius? Right? There was some kind of argument or a fight which has led both of you to feel miserable. The love is there. Yeah. Person B feels this shouldn't have been done. There's a devil attached to this fight. There's anger, or maybe somebody blew up and got angry, right? There was some harsh words maybe spoken. This was like a tower moment which erupted, okay, with anger and upset and whatever happened here. But this person is very stressed out about it. Eight of Wands, Spirit? Eight of Wands? Oh. So now the person A has now realized that no, it's whatever happened. I want to communicate with person again. I don't like the stagnation that's come between us because I have a lot of love for person A. They want to be victorious once again in this relationship, Aquarius. They have the Six of Wands and the Nine of Cups. Yeah, they've been sitting by themselves, dreaming of you, probably fantasizing about you, thinking of ways and means also what to say, how to communicate with you. And they are tired also. They want to drop this juggling or going back and forth in their mind regarding your relationship here, Aquarius. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. The person B is feeling very left out, very abandoned, left out in the cold, feeling neglected. They are feeling very imbalanced at the moment. Very, very imbalanced at the moment. They want their structure back. They want to come back into their power. as the man or woman in the dynamic, I don't know which side you're on, Aquarius, but person B is now wanting you back, or wanting person A back. They want their Nine of Cups with you, and they have realized that it's you and only you, and whatever fight is, I think this is a minor fight, Aquarius, nothing major, and I think you both want to reach the other person, both holding back because of your emotional hurt and nothing else. So yes, there is a lot of empowerment knowing that the other person loves you, right? And you guys will kind of get back together, even though right now you may be feeling like this, right? Feeling left out and sad and alone, but don't worry, things are going to improve. Let's see between you. Yes, here's a fresh new beginning. This is a very light reading. I mean, after the ones that I've just finished for Gemini and Libra, Aquarius, you are still, I think, doing pretty well. And this is a very minor thing where both parties love each other, both wanting to be back with each other, and both a bit in their heads now to understand how to go back. Simple as that. Yes, Queen of Wands is here as well, upright, and the Seven of Swords. Now, we have to have one card which... So what's this Fool card, Spirit? What's this Fool card for the mutual energy? Yeah, somebody wants to come in quick, with the quick communication, to say, hey, listen, I'm not happy by the way things were. And look at both of you. Oh my God. No wonder fights happen, Aquarius. None of you are easy. None of you have a cup or anything. You're both holding your swords, right? So if you approach somebody in this way, how are you going to expect love, Aquarius? And that's the reason your foundation keeps, going down each time. So what's this Fool card, Spirit? Why is the Fool card here for both of them? Why is the Fool card here? Right now, Aquarius, right now, as I'm doing the reading, this is not forever, okay? Right now, you're both feeling miserable, feeling your family life or your stability is disrupted because of this fight. And both thinking, hey, I'm not going, I'm going my own way. And the other person is saying, I'm going my own way. But deep in your hearts, you both want to actually move towards each other. So Queen of Wands, Spirit, what's this Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands. Well, one of you, I think the feminine energy here is going to see things from a higher perspective here. And yes, bring some healing, I think, to this equation now. Enough is enough. Yeah, there will be a message or something coming soon from one of you. I think most probably the feminine energy here. The Queen of Wands is going to take action. And yes, be strong and kind of reach the other person. Seven of Swords, Spirit. Seven of Swords. Oh, so sweet. So if there's been any cheating, lying behavior that's happened in the past, Aquarius, oh, this was temporary. I think you both are willing to put in the work now to make this better. And this is what we get, the lovers, right? You're going to fall right back into each other's arms, I think. Or at least this will be a choice made by both of you now to start working towards this relationship. So many cards, Spirit. One more card. One more card for Aquarius. Chariot is on its way, Aquarius. I don't know whether it's you who's reaching the other one or your partner reaching you, but things are going to be fine. You're both missing each other. You both love each other. One of you just pick yourself up. I mean, feel this empowerment, within you, and get on that horse and go and be triumphant now. Get your person. All is well. There's nothing to worry about in this reading. Okay? So take care, love and light. I'll see you on Thursday now for your love read. Namaste.